Hi, welcome to the video 3 of our Premiere Pro challenge. Today I'm going to walk you through the Premiere Pro interface so you feel totally comfortable before we dive into editing. And a quick reminder, if in case you are only watching this video, make sure you watch the previous videos as well so you will get a clear idea. And in the last video I showed you how to install the applications by using the Creative Cloud. Today I'm going to walk you through the Premiere Pro interface. So first I'm opening the Premiere Pro. I actually opened an existing project file, so this is how the interface looks like. For you maybe it is different. So currently I'm in the workspace of assembly section. Just click on the Windows, then go to workspace. From here you can change the workspace. Currently I'm in assembly. So here are the main panels you should need to know. First is project panel. This is the panel where we are going to import all the files that includes videos, images, audios, music, anything that are there in our system. Actually, if you want, you can create the bins as well by clicking here. So a new folder is created. Let's say if I want to add any like a set of music files into this, I simply name it as music, and inside that I'll add the music so that I'm very much organized. Next is source monitor. Here you can see program monitor and source monitor. See, the difference between the program monitor and source monitor is in the source monitor you can preview the clips before adding to the timeline here. This is called the timeline. This total area, whatever you are seeing here, the clips and everything is added, right? This is called the timeline. So before adding clips here, you can see in the source monitor. I'll show you one example. Let's say I want to add this file. So if I double click it, it shows in the source panel. If in case I want from here to here, like in and out points, I simply add that and drag the video clip only. If you want the audio, you can drag that as well. This is a PNG image, that's why the audio file is not showing here. But anyways, fine. This is all about the source monitor. Next is this. This is called the timeline. This is where you are going to arrange, cut and edit your clips. This is like the heart for editing. Everything, whatever the things you are going to adding, removing, anything are done in this timeline itself. Next is this program monitor. See, the program monitor shows you what your final output will look like. Let's say you added one layer of video and above that you added a text. That is shown in the program monitor. Again I'm telling, source monitor is different, program monitor is different. Program monitors shows you the edited final output, whereas the source monitor helps you to preview the files before adding it to the timeline. That's it. Next, this is called tools panel, where you can see a lot of tools here: selection, ripple edit, track forward, razor tool, slip tool, pen tool, like a lot of options are there. Even though these options are here, I highly suggest you that focus on remembering the shortcut keys so that the work you can do is even more faster. Initially, when I started this video editing, I'm not very much interested in learning these shortcut keys. Actually, you can customize the shortcut keys as well. In future, I'm going to show you that too. Once I remembered about the shortcut keys, I edit videos 10 times faster. I'm going to share a lot of tips and tricks in the future upcoming videos, so don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay updated. Okay, coming back to the topic, next is this. So here you can see a lot of panels. Actually, you can add it or remove it. So next we are going to the main one, that is called effects panel. So this is the panel where all the transitions, color effects, presets, everything are stored here. Even if you want, you can import it as well. Let's say I want to add a Gaussian blur. You can type the blur also. And one more thing here, you are not going to remember these names initially. Once you master, once you get used to those, then you remember. If you ask me, still I'm unaware of some of the tools, but it's fine. Once I get to use those, I remember that. Let's say Gaussian blur. As you can see here, it shows up. Simply drag and drop into the clip. So now we added the Gaussian blur to this clip. Now to edit these settings, we need to go for effects control. This is the panel. You will learn more about this in coming videos. It's very simple, guys, no like rocket science. Once you start using it, you remember everything, what are the things are there. And one more thing, a quick tip I can say, if you ever mess up these layouts, just go to the Windows, then workspaces, choose reset to saved layout. As you can see, it again came back to the initial. Of course, it happens when you are just getting started, because a lot of things are going on here. You feel overwhelmed and your brain is like confusing. Hey, what is this option? Hey, what is that option? Like that. But just calm down. You don't need to worry about that. These all options are very friendly once you start using it. There are even more panels are available, like if you go to the Windows, from here you can enable or disable it. So these all are the panels. I actually using very some. If in case you want, you can use even more. If it is showing a tick mark side to the text, that means it is enabled. If it's not showing, it's not enabled. That simple it is. So that's it for this video, guys. So in this video you will learn about different layout structures and different panels in the Adobe Premiere Pro. In the next video, I mean video 4, we will create a new project and start importing media files. See you again in the next video.